Hello, English faculty. We're going to show you how to install Pearson Writer into your Moodle shell. A lot easier for the students to access it. It's going to be spring semester 2017. So what you're going to do is that there is actually a shell. If you look at the shells, there's a shell called Pearson Writer. What? Yes. Okay. Pearson Writer. Should have access to that one. Okay, Pearson Writer. If you click on the thing for Pearson Writer, it actually kind of shows you some technical support and how do you do all this stuff. So I'm going to walk you through this. So let me go back to my English 111 class. Okay, so I have to follow these directions. Follow these directions to get Pearson Writer up and running in your course. You have to do a couple things as an instructor before the students will be able to access it. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to click on the gear, yay, and you're going to import. Import. Where are we going to import from? Oh, look at all this stuff. Oh my goodness, so much stuff. Well, I'm just going to search for Pearson. Okay, search for Pearson, so that's going to find the shell. There's the Pearson Writer shell. I'm going to select it and hit continue. Okay, now, yes, I'm just going to hit next, include everything. Okay, so this is all the stuff from the Pearson shell. So what I'm going to do is select none, and all I want to import over is Pearson Writer. Okay, just this, click on this. Those two things. Pearson Writer, okay. And then you hit next. And then, yeah, that's all good. Then we're going to perform the import. Then it imports it into your thing. Say, yay, congratulations. Now hit continue. You're not quite done, so don't turn off the video yet. Not quite done. Okay, so now you'll see that Pearson Writer is located right there. You're not done yet. Okay, so now you actually have to set it up for your course, but it's really not that hard, so let's walk through it. So I'm going to click on Pearson Writer. Whoop. I'm going to open up this screen, and then I'm going to create a new course. Okay? And the course that I'm going to create, it says right there, see, because it's linked to Moodle. Oh, but I have to put in the course date. And you have to do this with slashes, so it's 01/10/2018. So even if your class is a Tuesday, Thursday, or an online class, just put January 10th, 2018. Then initialize the course and continue to Pearson Writer. Okay, you gotta do this. And then Pearson Writer should magically pop up. Should magically pop up. There it is! Yay! Okay. So, in theory, what's going to happen with your students, once you follow these steps, okay, so let me go back to my shell here, and I'm going to switch over to student view. Okay, so the students should be able to go to, they go here, and then they're like, okay, where is it? Pearson Writer. So basically, once you've done your thing, all they have to do is click on Pearson Writer, and ta-da, there it is. No codes, no entering anything. They don't have to do that. They should just be good to go. How awesome is that? But you need to follow the other steps to initialize the course in your Moodle shell, but that's how you do it. So again, you import it. Go back here. Yeah, go back to my original role. Again, you import it into your shell, and you can move it wherever you want to move it. And then you have to click on it and initialize it by just basically putting in the date that it starts. So that's it. All right, you have to do that for every single one of your courses, but that's really not that bad compared to what we had to deal with before. All right, go do it.